Okay. Let's see what I got this month. Came back from the gym, and yeah. So yeah. Of course, the Tinder. Oh, nice. Holy crap. What? Okay, the Valdo 8-in-1 wrench. Yeah. The thing I've been wanting, a lockpick cord. You see him on my other phone. Oh wait, I'm on this phone. That's nice. Okay. The lockpick hook cord. Jeez. Okay, so the roundabout multi-wrench is $14.95 MSRP, and the hook cord is $19.95. Then, okay, look at the somewhat doing these again. Firecraft. Wait, no, this one's first. How to bypass a lock. This is $4.95. It's these. You know, that's nice. I like. Then we have Firecraft. Both are tip guides. Both are. These come in like little kits. I know that. $4.95. Sort of fire with a bunch of other stuff. I think I already got this one actually. Her sort of solar fire. Blah 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 blah. And I just totally did this one. Okay. So yeah, and my favorite. Also, I'll probably use the wrench in here because, you know, this is the only time wrenches like this are on a survival thing or actually acceptable. If it's a cord dedicated to it. I want to try it though. Oh, I don't have this type of wrenches. What do I? Oh no. But yeah. I've been wanting this. So. That makes me happy. Yeah, I gotta say, you know, the multiple use wrench could come in handy for me. Same with the hook cord, if like I needed it. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm on my smaller phone because my other phone is actually charging. So, yeah. Thankful to get one free, buy one, get one free mail patch. Of course, the code is only for like members, but I'm gonna say, I like it. Worth it, this month is definitely worth it because of the hook cord. So I have some lockpicks with me to go with in my wallet. I have a escape and evasion cord, and I have the bypass tool. So, I now have some lockpicks. Anyway, I'm happy. It's a short one this month, but yeah, it's cool. Also, I'll probably end up only buying books this month, non-survival books, like financial books and stuff. That's pretty much it. If I buy anything survival or prepping related, I will tell you. Anyway, peace.